Hi, my name's John Brushka. I'm here to give a little walkthrough on how you can take a look at the results from the iDebateRwanda League. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to read results. The link to the website is right here, and I'm going to put that in the comments of this YouTube video. But you are probably used to this is the Facebook page, and then that links to an iDebateRwanda page here. Just notice this website link is different. Here, I'll just get us to the top, and I'll walk through the rest of this later. Here's the URL. Just put that in the browser, and this will pop up. Eventually, if you are a coach or administrator, you can log in and manage some of this data, and there will be a separate video describing how to do that. But for now, I just want to show you the kind of information that you can pull out of here. Um, you can look at the results for each individual tournament, for each team across the season, and for each speaker across the season. You probably want to start here with the school totals. And then just a quick note about the load times. They can be a tick longer than some websites, and they're also designed to speed up so that the first time you click it, it might take a little bit longer than the other times. Okay. This has popped up the school results. So each school is listed over here. Now notice they're not listed alphabetical. They're listed in the order of who has the most wins. So congratulations to Riviera High School. They've been to 3 tournaments. They've had 7 entries, and in their 21 rounds, they've won 16 of them. Look at New Life though. They've had 1 tournament. They had 9 rounds, but they won every single one of them. Just to take a look at the details, you can click on that link, and this will show every speaker, how many rounds they've been in, their total speaker points, and then their average number of speaker points. So it looks like Alex and Yvonne here, each bit had 6 rounds, so they have higher speaker point totals. But Queen and Lisa here are averaging 28.3. So all the speakers show up here. All of the entries show up here. So this is the competition that they attended and the team that went there. And then if you want to see the entire results for that tournament, so this was the Kigali competition in March 2022, you can click on that, and that will show you the cumulative results sheets for the entire tournament. So this shows every team, the round, the side they were on, their totals up here. Okay, I'm going to go back to the top. That shows you the school totals. If you were interested in how the speakers rank across schools, the school totals will show you all the speaker point totals and speaker point averages within each school. But the speaker, if you click on this link, this will show you the speaker results across all of the tournaments. So this looks like Lisa average. You can't do better than that. 3 rounds, 30 points in every single round. Looks like Samaya of Mary Hill is at 29.67, got 89 out of a possible 90. And this just shows all the every single speaker who's appeared in order. And then if you wanted more information about them, you would just go to the school that they were at, and that would show you their team results as well. If you're just interested in the team results and you want to know which team combinations have done the best, you click on the team link. This one might take the longest to load because it's got the most complicated back-end results, calculations that are going on. But of course, with 3-person teams, every single team needs to have the exact same speakers to count as a team. So Mary Hill team 1 here won 3 debates. They were averaging 87.7 points. They had 3. They've won all 3. You can see that there's some other teams maybe that have had more rounds, maybe not. But to get the details on the team, like if you wanted to know who was on it, you would click on the team details link. This shows you the speaker names for all 3 speakers up here, who they debated in all their rounds. But that gets you there. So that is what happens if you click on the team. And then if you're interested in the results for the entire tournament, here is one that recently happened. I'm not even going to try to say that. The Eastern Debate League in February of 2023 was fairly recent. You could click on that button, and that will show you the cumulative results sheets of the entire tournament. So this just has every entry and every team, These are alphabetical, but it has all the speaker names, all the and how they did it every single round, and it has their team name there as well. Okay, that is the quick overview uh, about how you would read the results, and for most users, that's what you need. What if there's some results that aren't posted? Well, if they're not posted, that's because I haven't received them yet. If you have them, you can just email them to me at this address. But if there's a tournament you went to that hasn't been posted, just contact the people who ran it, and they use something called, I think it's easy tabulation, easy tab or easy tournament, and that will produce an Excel spreadsheet. And if they can email that to me, then I will load it up into this database. There are, all websites are always in constant development. So, and there's always bugs that come up. So if you see something, if there's a result that you would not like to see that's not on here, or if you see something that needs to be improved, you can email me at this address. I'm also email address. I'm going to put that also in the chat. And if the connection seems slow, that is something that I know about that I'm working on. That's back end things. There's the performance can be improved, but it seems to work okay. And like I said, I'm trying to make it work so that when new results get entered, the very first person who clicks on them, they'll take a long time. But that's building a database or building some stuff on the back end that should make it load faster than that. Okay, I hope that's enough of an introduction to give you an idea about how to view and look at the results. Up here is the link to that iDebateRwanda main page if you want to go to there. And otherwise, clicking either this button or this button will get you to the main page. And like I said, most users won't need to log in, but if you're a coach or an instructor, or if you're running the league, there's a separate video I will send you about what to do with that. Okay, that's it. I hope this is helpful to you all, and I look forward to hearing from you by email.